Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tips that make your work faster and easier. Today I'll show you exactly how to sort data by date in Google Sheets. Whether it's personal tracking, business records, or project management, this trick will keep your information clear and organized. First, open Google Sheets and sign in with your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Highlight all the data you want sorted, not just the date column but every related column. This keeps all rows aligned when the dates are rearranged. Go to the data menu at the top, click Sort Range, then choose Advanced Range Sorting options. If your sheet has column headers, check the data has header row box so they stay at the top. Now, select the column that contains your dates. For example, due date. Choose A to Z for earliest to latest or Z to Z for latest to earliest. Then click Sort. And just like that, your spreadsheet is perfectly organized by date, with all related data staying intact. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can work smarter in Google Sheets too.